Bose SoundLink Micro 2nd Gen is an ultra-portable speaker with surprisingly powerful sound. In this video, we'll help you set up your speaker. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose SoundLink Micro portable speaker. Important safety information. And a USB charging cable. Okay, now let's set up your speaker. Out of the box, your speaker will be in a sleep state. You'll need to connect the speaker to power in order to wake it up. Connect one end of the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the bottom of the speaker. Connect the other end into a USB power source, such as a computer or wall charger. Press the power button on the bottom of the speaker to turn it on for the first time. By default, the speaker will be in pairing mode, and the Bluetooth light will slowly blink blue. If your speaker isn't in this state, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can store up to 6 devices in the speaker device list, and the speaker can be actively connected to up to 2 devices at a time. You can connect the speaker using your device's Bluetooth settings or with fast pair on supported Android devices. However, to fully enjoy all the features of your speaker, adjust settings, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once it's finished installing, open the app and log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product, and then select Headphones, Earbuds, Portable Speakers, and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your speaker. Once it appears, tap Connect, and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your speaker. The power light will slowly pulse white while the speaker is charging. Allow up to 4 hours to fully charge the battery. The power light glows solid white when fully charged. With typical usage, a full charge will power the speaker for up to 12 hours. Finally, let's take a look at the controls located on the speaker. In addition to the power button on the bottom of the speaker, there are 5 buttons located on the front of the speaker: a Bluetooth button, volume down and volume up button, a play-pause button, and a shortcut button. In addition to play and pause, you can double press this button to skip to the next track, or triple press it to skip to the previous track. By default, the shortcut button is set to link 2 Bose Bluetooth speakers together. You can change your shortcut within the Bose app by tapping the shortcut button on the product control screen. Additionally, the SoundLink Micro has a new and improved utility strap on the back, allowing you to attach it to things like a bag or handlebar. Your Bose SoundLink Micro portable speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.